Mary, can you read this prescription? The patient needs the medicine now.
Let me see. Is this an A or a U?
I think it is an A, but I am not sure.
And this word here, Amoxil or Amoxid?
I cannot read it. The doctor's handwriting is very difficult.
Every day it is the same problem. We need to call him.
Good idea. I will call Dr. Santos now.
Ask him about the dosage, too. I see a number, but I don't know if it is 5 or 6.
Dr. Santos? Hi, this is John from the pharmacy. I have a question about the prescription for patient Lima.
What did he say?
He said Amoxil, 500 milligrams, 2 times a day.
Perfect. Now I can prepare the medicine.
He also said next time he will try to write more clearly.
I will believe it when I see it.
Me too.